All right, so today, right, the topic, right, will continue. All right, from last week is about congruence and similar. All right, which actually is like a revision on Sec 2 work lah, huh? All right, but this time around, there's a little bit of something called proving, showing that you have to do. All right, for similar and congruence. A little bit irritating, all right, but it's still doable. Can? Okay, so last week, right? Last week we did a little bit about congruence, right? I given you the notes, and we even draw out some of the skill drawing, the perpendicular bisector and the angle bisector. All right, so you all still remember, right? I hope so. Okay. Can we look at some of the questions that we missed out last week? Natalie, save you from what? Relax. You're okay. Okay. So this was the question from last week's worksheet. Okay, we didn't manage to finish. That's because we did until question 4. All right. Then I told you to use your compass, your what is that called, protractor, to draw out your figurines and all this. Remember or not? Those were last week, or y'all got old man, old woman syndrome and forget everything, huh? Okay, come. Let's take a look at this. So question 5A and B. Let's finish this first. This was from last week's worksheet. I cannot understand anything in my physics teacher. 88 tuition also got physics, right? Do you all manage to attend the physics lesson? Right, I don't know you all managed to attend or not. Yeah, why, Natalie, why? All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, come, let's take a look at this. Oh, you all learn A-level stuff, Hey, are you all in the what? Oh, Physics Olympia. All right. I thought you all are in the, the, what is that called? The, what's that called? You know, the A-level and O-level mixed together. What's that called? IP. Are you in IP? No, right? Okay, anyway. Okay, come, children, let's talk about this question first. They say that it contains a pair of congruence triangle. All right, congruence means exactly the same already. Congruence means exactly the same. All right, so let's take a look at who and who is exactly the same. All right, so I compare 8.4 cm with 8.4 cm. All right, which means that AB, all right, is related to BD, something like that. Okay. What else? This portion is also called angle Q. Simple reason is because a vertically opposite angle. All right. What else do you see? Oh, we have 8.4 here and 10 here, which means that the 12 must be here. Can you see not, children? Right. So if you can see that, right, my advice to you, right, my advice to you is actually write out the triangle. All right. Which triangle is congruent to which triangle? Come on, let's take a look. Triangle. Let's take a look at triangle. Let's say ABC. All right, ABE. Let's take a look at triangle ABE. ABE is congruence, is 3-stroke to triangle what? Look, A is down here, followed by B is down here. All right, so you have to go through the 8.4, then go through the 10. Go through the 8.4, then go through the 10. So down here is your 10. So I can say that ABE is actually congruent to triangle DBC. Can you see not, children? Right. So if you look at ABE, ABE means A, B, you go through the 8.4, then you go through the 10. ABE. All right, so it's 8.4, 10. Down here is 8.4, and down here is 10. So DBC, correct. So this line is very important. Once you can get this line out, right, a lot of questions can do one. All right. So down here, they're looking for P. P is what? P is actually AE. Can you see not? P is actually AE. So AE is the same as DC, lor. Can you see not? Follow the pattern. All right. AE is actually equal to DC. So DC is 12 cm. Down here is 12, lor. Can you see not? You can do that. Another one, another one. All right. Angle Q, angle R. Let's talk about angle R down here. Angle R is represented by angle DCB. Angle DCB. All right. Angle DCB. Can you see the flow? All right, it's DCB. All right. So DCB, right, is the same as AEB. Can you see? Can you see the flow? All right. So DCB is equal to AEB. Where's AEB? Is down here. That means your R is 45 degrees. Can you see or not, children? Understand or not? Understand what I'm trying to do or not? All right. It's a little bit irritating, right? But it's have to go through and no choice. Which means that the next angle, right? Angle S, S is made up of D, angle D. So angle BDC, all right? BDC. All right, BDC. Okay, so angle BDC, center left right is equal to angle center left right BAE. Right. So if you have this statement out, it's very useful. So BAE is 55 lor. So this is angle S lor. Understand or not, children? Hey. You all don't talk so much. Congruence is a easy topic, must know. Which means that angle Q is what? Angle Q will be simply 180 degrees minus your green 45 minus your purple 55. And your answer would be 180 minus 45 minus 55. Answer is 80 degrees. Understand or not? Do you get it? All right, so my step, right, is always to try to get this portion out first. Right, once I know who is congruent to who, right, then it's very easy. Just follow the alphabet. This was from last week's worksheet. This was from last week's worksheet. All right, this was from last week's worksheet. Okay. Okay, come. Question 5B, let's go. your brain fried, don't like that, leh. Unfried it, come. All right. Fried brain, not nice, I don't think so. Each of the following diagrams contains a pair of congruent triangles. Find the values of the unknown. Okay, come. Let's take a look at maybe ABE first. ABE. So let's try to come to a conclusion. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle who? Let's try to get out this statement first. So ABE, ABE is down here. Then like that. Okay, let's see. So I never touched this portion. All right, so it's like that. So it's like that, lor. CED, CED, correct or not? Can you see or not? All right, so the double stroke down here, this double stroke, which means equal length, I never touch it. So it's like AEAB. Oh, I touched it, ABE, sorry. Oh yeah, wrong already. ABE means I go through the double stroke first, then I come down to the shorter part. So I need to go through the double stroke first. CDE. Correct or not? Yeah, correct. CDE. Understand or not? All right, so ABE, right? AB is like the double stroke down here. Then after that, the shorter part. ABE. That means CD is the double stroke first. Then the shorter part, E. CDE, correct. Right, so once you get this out, right, then it's easier to do already. Can? Okay, come. Find the values of the unknown. You are looking for, let's say, angle who? Angle P. Or maybe angle R first. Let's do the angles first. All right, angle R. So angle R is found here. Is actually angle D. Angle D is down here. Faster way lah. Look for angle B lah. Right, angle B is down here. All right, so angle B is the same as angle R. Just now I think I knew so difficult. Angle D and angle B is the same, you see? Right, because this one is correct already. So how do you find angle B? You have to take 180 minus the 32 minus the 75. Okay, this one is a little bit like Sec 2. Sec 2, you also done something like that, right? So get used to it. It's a refresher. So 73 degrees is for angle B, which is also for angle D, which is represented by angle R. Okay, next one, Q. Q is made out of ED. Q is made out of ED. ED, look, ED is here, ED. ED. So ED is the same as BE. BE, do we have BE? Do we have BE? Oh, no, we don't have BE. Oh, yeah, we have BE. BE is 1.9. All right. So 1.9 meter is ED, which is Q, 1.9. Can you understand or not? Okay, next. How to find P? Oh, no. P is down here. P is down here. All right, so P is related to... P is related to EC, that part. So EC is related to AE. So AE is 3.5. Okay, so it's 3.5 is the entire AE. All right, but this portion is 1.9 already. Minus away the 1.9 to give you the P. Ta-da! Answer is 1.6 meter. Can or not, children? Can or not? Not too bad lah. Not too bad. Can? Understood? Do you understood? Okay. Okay, next. Oh, Natalie's here. Woo! Ready? Okay, let's begin. Let's continue. Okay, come. So last week, right, we did something like this. Remember this? My beautiful drawing. Okay. So this is on congruence. Congruence means exactly the same. You need to be able to prove certain rules like SSS, RHS, SAS, AAS. Remember to have the ASS only. All right. So these are some of the combination, and the flow must be correct. All right. So sometimes the question might give you the correct dimension. You just got to put it in. Sometimes they never. You have to go and find out yourself. No choice. Okay. So next time we will encounter more of such question. Hello, Jin Hao. Woo! All right. And now the notes for worksheet 13. All right, this is more on similar. This is more on similar triangle. Okay, this is more on similar triangle. Similar shapes or triangle. Specifically. All right, so similar, what does it mean? This word similar means they look alike. Look alike. But not exactly the same. All right, the meaning of similar means they look alike, but not exactly the same. All right, so what is the same leh? Right, very important for similar, you need to know that angles are the same. Angles are equal. And the second thing is the length ratio are equal.